In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Satisfactory on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about many ways in which you will be able to access and play Satisfactory on a Mac. So, as you might be aware, if you go over to the Satisfactory Steam page or the official website, usually you will see that the game is only officially available for Windows PC. So, as it stands today, while you cannot officially access Satisfactory on a Mac natively, you will be able to use some workarounds and tools to actually play it. So, in this video, this is what I want to cover. Keep in mind that if an update is released in the future that ports the game over to Mac, then you will be able to simply purchase and play it natively. So the first one is going to be by using something like Parallels. So as you can see, this tool allows you to run Windows on a Mac. Don't worry, you will be able to separate your Windows installation from your Mac installation, and all that you will do with this is install Windows so you can download and run Satisfactory. The performance might be slightly affected, but you will still be able to play on your Mac. Keep in mind that while you can try this for free, it is going to be a paid solution, but it is an option that you can use on your Mac if you really want to play Satisfactory. There are other tools that do the same thing, so they imitate Windows on a Mac, but Parallels is the one that I'm showing in this video. The other option that you have that is more convenient, but is also a paid solution, and will give you access to many other games, is going to be a cloud gaming service. So the most popular ones are going to be Boosteroid and GeForce Now. All that you will be doing with this is paying this subscription, and you will be able to stream various games over to your Mac and many other devices. The good thing about this is that you will be able to stream many different games, not only Satisfactory, and you will be able to play them directly on your Mac, even if they aren't natively available. However, it has a subscription cost, and you will need a very good internet connection because the games need to be streamed over, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Satisfactory on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.